You ever like driving through your neighborhood and you see somebody walking the dog or whatever, going for a walk or a run, and you know, you do the friendly neighborly, hey, how are you? How's it going? Good morning, like whatever. And then they don't wave back, and that just really bothers me. And it's like I'm at the point now where it's not even that they just don't wave back. They give you a look, a dirty, mean look. Like, who are you? What the hell? And like they get nervous. It's like, I'm just saying hello. I see you every morning. Like, and then, you know, I'm at the point now where I get on the horn and start beeping at them until they wave back at me. And they do, it works. You know, and then, you know, it's kind of like I do all this effort for what? So part of me says, I'm just not going to do it anymore. And then sure enough, I don't do it. And, you know, when I don't wave, they end up waving at me. And then when I'm like, oh, shoot, I had a wave. And then they get mad at me for not waving.
So what do you think of the song I picked out?
Yeah. Yeah. That's perfect. That's perfect. What the fuck are you doing?
Fuck you. This is to go in a stupid vlog.
Is that your vlog?
This is a stupid vlog right now. Whoa!
Whoa. Oh my. Anna, that's you, Anna.
As soon as you use this razor, it's gonna be the best razor that broke.
Whoa. This is everything I saw on TV. It's all the stuff I saw on TV.
Whoa.
Jim, you gonna boom boom or what?
Huh?
You gonna boom boom?
Boom, boom,
Take
do
a
a
hit.
little boom,
Take a hit.
boom.
I see it on Shark Tank. Woo! It wakes you up.
Oh yeah, it does. Jamie thinks it's stupid.
Take a hit out of her boom boom. Take a whiff of her boom boom, James.
Gotta support the sharks.